subscribe, pindutin mo na ang subscription button at click mo na rin ang notification icon para updated ka sa mga videos na ating i-upload. Okay, for question number 1. What is the primary aim of driving instruction? A. To instill awareness of one's legal responsibilities in traffic. B. To teach the abilities required for one to be eligible for a driver's license. C. To teach the rudiments of driving. And D. None of them. Okay, so for question number 1 mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter C. To teach the rudiments of driving. Question number 2. The process of training road users in the avoidance and prevention of traffic-related accident. A. Traffic safety education. B. Traffic engineering. C. Traffic education. Or D. Traffic enforcement. Okay, for number 2 mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter A. Traffic safety education. Let's proceed to question number 3. This is achieved through multidisciplinary approaches involving road engineering and traffic management, education and training of road users, and vehicle design. A. Road safety. B. Safety education. C. Safety management. And D. Driver's safety. For number 3 mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter A. Next, question number 4. Providing for the prevention, control, and abatement of air pollution from motor vehicle. A. RA 8121. B. RA 1181. C. RA 551. Or D. RA 8749. The correct answer mga idol for number 4 is letter B. PD 1181. Next, number 5. Agencies and or offices under traffic engineering except A. DepEd. B. Department of Public Works and Highways. C. Provincial government. Or D. Chartered cities. For number 5 mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter A. So DepEd is not included as one of the offices under the traffic engineering. Next, number 6. The process of training road users in the avoidance and prevention of traffic-related accident. A. Traffic safety education. B. Traffic safety engineering. C. Traffic safety instruction. Or D. Traffic safety seminar. Mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter A. Question number 7. LTO is responsible in A. Vehicle registration. B. Vehicle inspection. C. Driver's licensing. Or D. All of them. For number 7 mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter D. All of them. Number 8. Prohibition and restrictions are A. Objectives of traffic engineering. B. Regulation and control traffic regulation. C. Level of traffic safety education. Or D. Basic type of instruction. For number 8, mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter B. Next, number 9. The opportunity to make the road safe and enjoyable for pedestrians and efficient for vehicle. A. Relocation. B. Visual intrusion. C. Vibration. Or D. Pedestrian journey. For number 9, mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter D. Okay, number 10. An act providing for the regulation of motor vehicles emitting toxic gases. A. RA 8749. B. RA 4987. C. PD 968. Or D. RA 8551. Okay. Number 10, the correct answer is letter A. Next, number 11. What is road safety? A. Reduce risk of accident or injury on the road. B. Process of training road users. C. Deals with the benefits of traffic in our economy. Or D. Responsibility in ascertaining the free flow of traffic. Number 11, mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter A. Next, number 12. This is the most recent of the pillars of traffic, which deals with the benefits and adverse effects of traffic to our economy. A. Traffic education. B. Traffic engineering. C. Traffic economy. Or D. Traffic ecology. For number 12, mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter C. 13. One of the proposed activities that may reduce the adverse effect of traffic development to our ecology. A. Limit traffic and to improve the efficiency and quality of service of buses and transport. B. Providing for the prevention, control, and abatement of air pollution from motor vehicle. The answer for number 13, mga idol, ay letter A. Number 14. Give us a hint on how we will tend to feel in a certain day. A. Temperature. B. Emotions. C. Feelings. Or D. Biorhythm. The correct answer is letter D. Biorhythm. Number 15. LTO is responsible for the following, except A. Vehicle registration. B. Vehicle inspection. C. Driver's licensing. Or D. Registration of tricycle. Number 15, mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter D. Registration of tricycle. 16. Delay resulting from traffic congestion only affects the time of travel but not the productivity of the individual. So the answer for number 16, mga idol, is letter B. False. 17. One of the objectives of traffic engineering. A. Giving training and practice in traffic safety. B. Prevent traffic accident. C. Expedite the movement of traffic. Or D. Control and abatement of air pollution. Ang tamang sagot for number 17 is letter B. Prevent traffic accident. Number 18. Which of the following is a function of traffic engineering? A. Planning of traffic regulation. B. prevent traffic accident, C. expedite the movement of traffic, or D. control and abatement of air pollution. Number 18, mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter A. Number 19, safety education for elder pedestrian and drivers is relatively harder compared to the education designed for younger children. A. True. B. False. The answer for number 19, mga idol, is letter B. False. 20. What are the environmental effects of the urbanization of transportation? A. Noise. B. Vibration. C. Air pollution. Or D. All of them. The answer for number 20, mga idol, ay letter D. All of them. 21. This is a mass publicity aimed to make road users behave more safely. A. Safety campaign. B. Safety education. C. Safety engineering. Or C. Safety ecology. The correct answer is letter A. Safety campaign. 22. Land Transportation and Traffic Code. A. RA 4136. B. PD 1189. C. RA 8749. Or D. RA 8551. For number 22, mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter A. Next, 23. Vehicle travel time is made up of 3 components except A. Free-flowing travel. B. Stop time. C. Acceleration. Or D. Speedometer. The correct answer for number 23, mga idol, ay letter D. Speedometer. 24. Process of training road users in the avoidance and prevention of traffic-related accidents. A. Traffic safety education. B. Road safety. C. Engine safety. Or D. Brake safety. For number 24, mga idol, ang tamang sagot ay letter A. 25. Responsible for the effective construction and maintenance of traffic facilities. A. Traffic education. B. Traffic ecology. C. Traffic engineering. Or D. Traffic safety. The correct answer is letter C. Traffic engineering. So, ayan mga idol, natapos na natin ang mga kasagutan sa self-evaluation sa traffic management and accident investigation. Bilangin na kung ilan ang nakuha ninyo sa ating self-evaluation at kung yan ay tumataas at kung yan ay higit pa sa 20, congratulations, ipagpatuloy mo ang maganda mong performance. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang ang ating activity sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat at ipinapakiusap ko sa inyo mga idol, huwag sana tayong mag-escape ng mga ads na lumalabas sa ating mga videos. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat at magandang araw sa ating lahat. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated of my new videos.
will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated, oh. Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are.